The phrase safety first is especially fitting for the janitorial industry, as hazards and potential injuries are everywhere during standard cleaning operations. Everyone needs to be aware of these hazards and proactively train their team members to minimize risk of injury when handling materials. Things like wet floor signs and proper facility signage improve workplace safety, but it doesn't stop or even start there. To be a leader in facility safety, safety data sheets should be kept current and displayed where everyone can see them. Training should also incorporate proper lifting techniques, and cleaning processes should be bleach-free to avoid exposure to undue liability and risk. There are so many things that you can do to improve workplace safety, and at Midlab, we're here to help.